Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by enabling mobile data and confirming a solid 4G or 5G signal. This matters because throughput limits vary by band. Next, open Settings, go to Network or Connections, and enable mobile hotspot or USB tethering. Choose hotspot for Wi-Fi sharing, USB for direct device link. Set a WPA2 password and a short device list to reduce interference and data use. Once done, note your SSID and password so the receiving device can connect quickly and securely. You now switch to the device that needs internet and scan Wi-Fi networks. Pick the hotspot SSID you created and enter the password exactly, case matters. If you need lower latency or charging while connected, plug a USB cable and enable USB tethering on the phone. This bypasses wireless congestion. Make sure background apps that hog bandwidth are paused, and temporarily disable VPN or proxy settings if authentication or captive portals prevent a clean link. Because those intermediaries, you finish by verifying internet access, open a browser and load a page, or run a speed test to confirm expected throughput. If pages won't load, toggle the hotspot off and on and restart both devices. Simple reboots resolve many misconfigured connections. If problems persist, inspect carrier data caps and APN settings, incorrect APN blocks tethering, then update device firmware. As a key troubleshooting tip, remember to test with another client device to isolate whether the issue is the hotspot or the receiver.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.